I'm Buster from A&B Wood Products, and today we got a Tree of Heaven. I guess they have a whole bunch of different nicknames on what it is. Looking it up on the internet, this is an invasive species over here. Never cut it up before, so we're hacking up a chunk here. So far, it looks like it's going to have a pretty neat grain pattern to it, and it is. Seems to be a very hard wood. We'll see how it works out. Hack this thing up and see what the inside of it looks like.
I'll be right back, guys, to let you see some cutting. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. I'll give you guys a sneak preview. A monster black walnut. And it's a monster. It almost comes up to my neck. It's so big. And it's going to be cool. That's a big log. Sneak preview. Now that it's warm, hopefully we can start doing more of this. Pretty funny. Pretty funny that he's had an allergic reaction to the English walnut tree he was cutting up, and because he wasn't wearing his helmet. And look at him again. What do you call that? You can't treat dogs new tricks. Old dog's new trick. He definitely don't like wearing a mask, and he should. Yeah, this thing's gonna be big. It's gonna be a nice tree though. It's got some awesome colors to it. It's gonna be big. And that crotch is gonna be cool too, I think. But on this side, you can actually see blue. It's really something else. It's gonna be cool. Yeah, it's blue. So, it'll be neat. Neat to see. Raining. Tell these guys why this is like that. That it's blue.
Oh, I do not know. It has a big wound on the other side, and so it might be a spalting thing causing that. But I don't really know for sure. They might have put something on the end of it.
Oh, really?
After they cut it down. I don't know. We'll have to see when we cut it if it continues up. If it's only at the end, they put something on it.
Oh.
After they cut it. But I don't know.
Huh. Okay. I've given them a sneak preview.
I don't know if it goes on through the log or not. You still filming?
Yeah.
I'm done cutting.
Huh?
I'm done cutting.
Oh, thanks.
Big.
Huh? What?
It's big.
Look how much I knocked off. Well, this side's almost clear. Look how much of it's missing on this side.
Yeah, had a big wound.
Is that a wound?
Yeah, had a wound on the tree.
This looks like there's no bark at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like no bark.
I thought maybe you'd want to show them the wood.
Yeah, they're seeing it. All right, I'll stop being lazy and show you guys the wood. Ooh, gotta wipe my thing. Let's wipe that.
That's interesting looking.
Oh, that's pretty. What, the green down here? Yeah, I know. Isn't that pretty? That is cool.
Starting to show some figure there.
Huh. It's blonde, but it is pretty. I think this green's gonna come out more too. We'll see.
It's getting caught on the hose.
I've been working hard back here, trying to get some bark off the tree. What's that piece right there? Is that walnut?
No, that's maple.
And what are you gonna do with it?
I was going to see if I could fall over. That's what I was going to try doing. See it? Not wasting
Remember,
it.
guys,
I'm going to see if I can get it to roll back a little bit.
he's got this,
So I'd have a little room for.
but he chooses to be manhandling stuff still.
What else do you want me to do with it?
Push this out of the way and then use your forklift. So you said this, oh, you broke the piece off.
Yeah.
You said this was what now?
Tree of Heaven.
Tree of Heaven.
Apparently it's in the sumac family.
Are you sure it's not like the paradise one? Or are they the same thing?
Tree of Heaven, Paradise Tree, Chinese sumac, bunch of other nicknames it goes by. I'm not sure which is its actual name.
So this is actually a tree of paradise? Holy cow.
Paradise Tree.
This is an old tree then, huh?
Yeah, it's either called Paradise Tree or Tree of Heaven.
This is a pretty old tree.
Well, count the rings.
I ain't counting no rings. And you can't count the rings down here. The way they cut it, I don't know what they cut it with, but with like must be a chainsaw, but they must have hacked at it for a while to get it down.
Got like a green line running down the inside of it.
Huh.
I don't know if it'll stay this color.
Or if it darkens up or nothing.
I have no idea.
Huh. Not really pretty stuff. I think it's pretty. Why do we have a feathering action going on almost down there?
Yeah, because it bells out so much at the base.
Oh. Huh. Oh. I almost got some fluorescent play up here, or whatever you want to call it. What do you call that?
Holographic?
Yeah, kind of look to it.
Yeah, it's got some cool grain going there.
Yeah.
gets darker.
And who was it that said it was garbage?
Oh, on one of the internet forum boards, they said that they were a garbage tree and not worth cutting. I didn't know.
Well, so far I think this is pretty wood.
But it's the same group of people who say that red oak is garbage too.
Red oak?
Yeah.
I didn't know they made a red oak.
Yeah, there's red oak, black oak.
Hmm.
It seems there's a group of people that if it's not white oak, it's garbage.
Hmm.
So I don't know.
What about black walnut with them? I got bark in my hair, in my pockets.
I'll have to see if I can get this thing to roll over.
Bark everywhere. And it's called American Favorite Pet. My girl Abby is in first place in the semifinals. And so if you guys could all go on Facebook and vote for her, that would be cool. Because I need everybody's vote, and you can vote for free, so you don't even have to have any money to vote. So just go on there and vote for free every day, and that would help us out. That would be cool. Yeah, she's got to take, I think she's got to be in like the top either 10 this round or 15. I'm not sure if there's 4 or 5 rounds, but it's the final lap, and they're gonna tell us if she could take first or not. But anyway, if you all could do that, I'd appreciate it. It'd be pretty cool. Let's put you down just for a minute. Yeah, it's been a battle, hasn't it, baby? It's been a pretty good battle trying to get her where she takes first place. But it's been fun. But for as sick as she's been all her life, it would be pretty cool for her to take first place. She's had that, what is it called, Giardia? Which is an intestinal like worm or parasite that they used to have a cure for it, but the cure don't work on all the dogs anymore. And if she gets it, well, she got it, pretty much she can either her immune system will fight it off with some medicine when she hits a year, which is really close. I think she's almost a year, isn't she?
Yeah, getting there.
Anyway, with the medicine, hopefully her immune system will kick in gear and fight it off. If not, then she'll just end up being a carrier of it, which is really lame because she's such a good dog, but she's got a lot of health problems and definitely a lot of stomach problems because of the stuff. So my advice to everybody, don't take your dogs to dog parks. Because if they smell a dog's poop or get any on them or walk through a dog's poop and then licks their paws, they could get it. So don't take your dogs to dog parks. Not a good idea.
Yeah, but fish carry it, so just taking them down to the river they can get it.
Yeah, but where the medicine that treated it before does not help it now, why take the risk and have your dog at the dog park? Take them somewhere where there's not a bunch of dogs running around with Giardia. Anyways, she's on there if you guys want to vote for her. My little Frenchie. She's definitely a very unique Frenchie, isn't she? I got some Frenchie I know a couple of Frenchie breeders, and they said that she's probably the most unique Frenchie they've ever seen.
You want to get back?
Oh, I was going to help you and drop it.
Yeah. Yeah, but if it decides to come back this direction,
My husband loves me.
it'll run over your feet. The last one hopped back on my foot, but I got steel toes on.
Ah.
So.
Darker color in there, like there was a nail or something in there.
I heard something. It went mink.
Yeah.
And then I pulled 2 nails out of the side of it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
How thick is this stuff?
Been cutting it 3 inches thick, which maybe is overkill for it. But I don't know if it'll warp or if it stays real flat. I don't know how it dries.
Well, I would like to keep a piece of this stuff. That's pretty wood. Maybe that slab right there. I think that's pretty. Is that okay?
Yeah. So I wanted to leave it a little over thick just to be safe. It'd be bad to cut it 2 inches thick and then have it cut 1.5 inches.
That is actually turning out to be pretty cool looking. Hope you guys can see that because it is really pretty cool. It's like a, I don't know, a dark, well, not dark, I mean a very, very light grayish, bluish color. A line of it going down.
Oh, yeah, right there. There it is.
Oh, there it is.
There's the nail.
There it is. Pretty good size nail too. It's pretty. I like this color. I think this would make a really pretty table. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think it would. And there is a, is that a bee? What is that? Is that a bee or was that one of those one things? That's a bee.
That's a bumblebee.
That's a bee. There's already bees out. And what were we last week? Only 20 degrees out? 25? Now you got bees.
A couple of days there, 25 was the high.
That's what they said. And now you got bees running around here. And that's just a couple days ago.
Yeah. Had mosquitoes flying around. Then it dropped down to damn near 0. Then it warms back up. The flies and bees are out.
Is that not going to move? Almost sounded like it was still connected. There's a fly right there.
Yes.
Jeez. Did it sound like it was still connected? Is it still connected?
No, it's not.
Oh my goodness. Just a very heavy piece.
Yep.
Baby, I'll tell you I want that, but how are you gonna where are you gonna put where'd my other wood go? That was over here.
Send it away.
Baby, where is it?
Send it away.
You didn't.
Yes. You said to go out and sell it.
But that was 2 different trees.
No, it was just sycamore.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to keep one of the sycamore for me.
You said to go ahead and sell them.
He's giving away my pretty wood, guys. Not that I'm going to ever do anything with it. I really want to try and make a table, But I got no space to make a table because he's got everything so full you can't make no table. If it just shove everything to one side, it could make a table, but you know how he is. He's stingy with the space. What is that shop? How big is that shop?
30 by 80.
30 by 80, and then you got a garage over here. Then you got the house. I got 2, maybe 3 rooms in the house, mine. Maybe the back porch. No, not even the back porch anymore. The back courtyard, which is what? How big is that?
What?
The courtyard?
20 by 20 or something.
Yeah, 20 by 20. So that's all I asked him, to just leave those areas alone. And he was supposed to put up a greenhouse over there for me, but that's how far as that's gotten. And he won't cut out enough space for me to make a table. You guys complain on the show. Tell him that clear some room out for the woman. Try to make a table. If he knew how much money I could get if it turned out pretty good, he would probably make room for me to make a table. But I can't even try it. Well, that's pretty. That's pretty. That is pretty stuff. Pretty blonde. Now it's starting to try to feather a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
You got a little crunch feather and some bark inclusion.
You're dirty.
Yep. What? If you're in southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. A&B Wood Products, 208-447-9691.
And again, guys, I know I sound like a broken record, but subscribe and comment and share even, because the closer we get to that 1,000 mark, the closer it is that we're going to put everybody's name that subscribed and made a comment in a bucket, and we're going to pull it out live. We're going to make it a live video of somebody winning. So, again, guys, it's a $500 gift card, some t-shirts, maybe a hat or 2, and some stickers, and we're going to try and do some wood, too. So, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.
Thank you.